Hey everyone, welcome back to Solution Guides. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy XRP Ripple on Binance. First is open to your Binance app, and then tap the wallet's options at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then check USDT balance. Make sure you have USDT Tether into your account to proceed. If you don't have any, tap on deposit to add USDT. And then go back to the homepage. Tap the search bar at the bottom and search for its XRP. Select XRP USDT pair. Tap on the XRP USDT pair under the spot options, and then click the buy button at the bottom and choose whether you want to place a limit order or a market order, and then enter the amount of XRP that you wanted to buy. And then after that, the app will show you the equivalent amount of USDT required for the purchase, and then tap on the Buy XRP button to complete the order. Once your order is completed, you can fix your XRP into the wallet section. And that's it. If this video helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching Solution Guides.